Let's go. I never really liked to go in the repair shop because in Germany, I don't know, they're also overworked and, you know, super busy, and they're not exactly happy when you go there. You know all about my last experience in Berlin. This is gonna be a great day and I can't wait to get there. Let's do it. Hello? Just that you heard it already a bit. I'm glad it does it now because it doesn't do it all the time.
If without taking it off, we can't see anything.
Yeah.
So,
No, we have to. We let's do it. Yeah. Cool, man. I'm happy, man. I'm happy. Alex is a really cool guy. We're gonna get to the bottom of this whole engine thing, but first, lunch. Well, I almost lost the rear end there. So loud, man, because it's so light. It's crazy.
because all this big stuff
Yeah.
is taken away from it.
There's nothing on there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep, love it. Either way.
It looks really evil. It is evil. A bit scared. Oh god. Oh. that goes up right away. Shit. Insane, really. Insane. Man. It goes up right away. It is so cool. Yeah, man, it's so easy. I've never done a wheelie in my life until today. Man, that's a fun machine, really. Wow. Look at that, guys. Sorry. Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Ja, ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch.
Awesome. Because the whole manual is in German.
It's supposed to be really weak.
Yeah.
So, but why sometimes you get this rattling noise? That's really a good question right now. We can take out the compressor and check it. It's also okay because it's also one way.
Yeah.
It can turn only one way so that it doesn't slide back. So
Yeah.
famous tensioner.
Famous tensioner.
Famous tensioner. I don't know if it's new, really.
It's hard to say, right?
It's really hard to say. See some marks here, but you know,
Yeah.
it could be from one time.
So it's really hard to say if it's a new chain tensioner or not, but it seems to be that one is working. Seems to be fine. Ultrasonic. Never seen that before. Looks like a catering box. This is Alex's wife. Crazy, they didn't know each other.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they didn't. There was just a coincidence. Posted a video on Instagram from the engine, and somebody called Marvin, he noticed the chain guide. We're not sure.
We are not sure.
We're checking it right now.
Pin or bolt back in there.
Just compared that chain guide theory with another engine, and this engine here that I saw on YouTube, it looks the same, so I don't think it's broken really. But the rest also looks fine.
One thing worth note.
How did people get work done without the internet? How did people do it? The problem now is that the chain fell off the sprocket, and now Alex has to take the clutch cover off. So he checked the filter there.
Or maybe it's not broken.
Maybe it's not broken. Yeah. We're still not sure if it's the chain guide. If it's broken, then it happened a long time ago. So Alex is putting the head back on. We couldn't really find anything super unusual, like everything looks pretty good. This idea of this chain tensioner, but that also doesn't look suspicious. Not much more that we can do right now. So we put it back together. Alex is gonna check the valve clearance, then that would be it, I guess.
Next time you do some service, you should order this intake rubber, because it's cracked. It's not cracked all the way through yet, but
it's gonna be.
it's gonna be.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a question of time.
Okay. We're finishing up for today. I decided to put on a new front disc because mine is really worn. So that is also ordered. And then tomorrow we put on the front tire as well, and then we'll see if the Honda starts up.
Wow, you're out of brake fluid.
Uh-oh. What does it mean?
There's more than 4% water in the brake fluid, so you have a big risk of like boiling the brakes or
shit.
pistons getting stuck and stuff like that. So because brake fluid attracts water, so you need to change it regularly. So when you have fresh one, it's zero.
Okay, so I should have changed the brake fluid way earlier. Always check your brake fluid. Wow, it looks so cool here. Okay. Wow. Oh man, I don't think that is something for me.
Like with women.
Yeah.
Some like tall, some like short, some like fat.
It's like with women. Yeah, that's very important when you ride a motorcycle. We are preparing to film an Instagram story. Check our Instagram. Okay, I got it now.
Yeah.
I got it now.
Yeah, so we're also changing the pads, even though they were quite good. They were okay. If you change the brake disc, you should always change the brake pads as well, because otherwise the worn brake pads will wear the disc unevenly. So you just get a longer life on the brake disc. if you change the pads, and the pads don't cost that much.
You're gonna steal it!
Now the moment of truth. Will it start?
Oh!
That's actually cool, yeah.
That was it.
You good? Yeah. Yeah. It was a pleasure. Yeah.
So right guys. No. Ciao! I have to be a bit careful. New tires and sounds great. Such a great guy and a really good mechanic. He just started his business last year and I think he's doing such a great job. I will stay in Latvia today. I will go to the coast.
Unfortunately, we couldn't really find out what causes the rattling, but I had such a great time at the shop and it can't be anything serious. I will get to the bottom of it for sure.
It really is a mystery, guys. It really is a mystery. Let's go to the beach. What a great campsite. It's just so cool. 10 euro a night. Very cool. I have a great camp spot. And it's just the perfect ending of this day. I had a really great time at the repair shop. And I got to meet Alex and his family. If you guys liked the video, make sure you leave Alex a 5-star rating on Google. Rascal Motorcycles in Riga. And if you want to do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and I see you tomorrow. Cheers!